Hey guys, Brandon from RC Flyer. This is my mini Capra build. It has a Endura body, Endura 1.3 Klingon tires, a mishmash of links. Most of them are Trio, spec'd out. Has an old Komodo Furatech engine in it because I built this a long time ago. I did upgrade the axles to the Muse ISO axles, I believe. And yeah, just getting back into rock crawling. So again, give me some pointers if you see some things I'm doing wrong. Hope you enjoy this video, and like and subscribe if you enjoy the video. Thanks for watching. I did not make it up that. I wonder if I can make it up that. All right, that was pretty good, except for that last part. Show you what it's climbing up. Oh! All right, one more try on this. I'm impressed that it got up this high. I have an idea on how to get to the top.
You got right down. All right, let's see how well. This thing doesn't have any brakes, so let's see if we can get down this thing.
Feels like it's